Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video I am going to give an overview of the case Dr. Balram Prasad versus Dr. Kunal Saha and others. It is a 2013 judgment and the citation for which is 125 SCR 30. So this is one of the most important landmark judgment in the cases relating to the medical negligence. So now I am just going to give a brief overview of this case. So in this case, Dr. Kunal Saha's wife Anuradha Saha died due to alleged medical negligence in India while undergoing treatment. Dr. Saha filed a complaint against three doctors for the negligence, seeking compensation for his wife's death. In this case, the raised questions regarding the duty of doctors, standard of care, and the liability in medical negligence cases were discussed. The Supreme Court of India examined the evidence and found that medical negligence had occurred, causing the death of Anuradha Saha. The court held that compensation should be provided to the victim's family to compensate for their loss. It was emphasized that doctors have a professional duty to exercise due care and skill while treating patients. So, in this case, the court recognized that a patient has the right to receive medical treatment that meets a reasonable standard of care with due diligence. The case highlighted the importance of holding doctors accountable for their actions and ensuring proper compensation for victims for medical negligence. The court awarded a substantial amount of compensation to Dr. Saha as a result of the negligence that led to his wife's ultimate death. The judgment in this case set a precedent for future medical negligence cases in India, emphasizing the need for accountability and patient rights. The case contributed to the ongoing debate on medical ethics and the need for improved medical practices to prevent instances of negligence. The judgment served as a reminder of the medical community and the importance of adhering of professional standards and prioritizing the patient safety. So now I am going to conclude this video, and if you have any doubts, just ping me in the comment sections and I will be getting back to you all. All the queries and doubts will be solved by me only. So thank you so much and hope you have a nice day.